Are you looking for a garden seat that's easy to move around, that's very lightweight? Hi, I'm Susan from In the Garden Sue. I'm a physical therapist and I look at garden tools that are good and comfortable for people of senior age and also with arthritis or joint pain. So this is a exceptional rocker seat here. So as you can see here, it rocks forward and backwards. I guess it can go side to side too, it's a little harder, but forward and backwards. It's also adjustable here. You can, I think this is the highest setting. You can move it down if you want to really squat down in the garden. I'll show you a little bit more once I sit on it and how it works. Okay, now I'm sitting on this Vertex Exceptional garden seat. It's a rocker seat. So, oh, and it does. You can rock side to side, pick up things. You can rock forward and backwards. So that's nice because when you're in the garden, you don't want to always work with a flex spine like this, and you don't want to rotate a lot around. So this is nice because then you can kind of keep your back nice and straight, and you can rock on your legs. So that works very well, and it's very comfortable. You can also put the tools underneath here that you want to keep when you're in the garden. So that's a great aspect too. The only thing I don't like about this is that, first of all, it doesn't roll. In case you just want to roll along in the garden, you're gonna have to stand up, pick it up and move it. I have this on the highest setting. So as you can see here, when I stand up, I don't have anything to hold on to push up on. I guess you could push up for the sides, but it is a little bit unsturdy. So I think that you're gonna have to have pretty good knees for this, and you're gonna have to have pretty good stability, you know, in standing to use this. But I think that it is very lightweight. I think that it's probably less than 5 pounds, or it might be maybe a pound. It's not very, it's just all plastic. So I would definitely recommend these for people, maybe not so much the senior, not so much somebody who's experiencing back pain or joint pain, but this is it's a very good tool, and it's pretty inexpensive. So if you'd like to know more about this, you can look at the link below and you can check it out. To assemble this, it was only 2 different pieces. It came with this piece, and this piece, and you put them together. There was only 2 screws. It took me maybe 5 minutes to put it together. So the assembly is required, but it's exceptionally easy. If you don't like the raw plastic on this, for comfort, it does come with a cushion on it. If you like that, it's just an extra cost for that.